hoping to film again in a couple weeks when I go out in a couple weeks to Bramble Root Studio to get my maintenance done. So this is just kind of a quick little fill-in. I just washed my hair today, so I thought that today would be a really good day to just kind of like really showcase all the loose hairs that I have going on. I mean, you can just really see how fuzzy it is, especially after a wash. There's just so much hair coming out. It's not really a problem, except like every couple days I go ahead and I just separate my dreads. Oh, these two are joined. So what I'll do is I'll find the dread that it belongs to. Hold on. Especially after a good wash, your dreads will start to stick. Some of the hairs will get washed into others. And so this does not actually go into that section. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of like pull it out really gently. There we go. I have just basically been separating after washes every couple of days, and I have to because of all the loose hairs. I also have lots of regrowth between each section. I'm very, very excited to see Kaz. Yeah, I haven't done maintenance on the lower ones for like 2 months now, and then I haven't done maintenance on the top for maybe 3 months. There are some sections that like are not, I mean, I would say I feel only about that is knotted up. The rest of this is really, really, really weak. And like, hello, there you go. Pull it apart, stick your finger through, it's really weak. I'm really excited to see what she does with all of it. Mostly, I'm just looking for a cleanup. It's a little bit uncomfortable having all the loose hair, just because anytime I like pull them back or something, I always feel random little hairs being pulled, and so it's kind of uncomfortable. I mean, it feels like having tangled hair, which is what having section tangled hair, that's dreadlocks, but it's a little bit uncomfortable when you have like random single hairs being pulled. So anyway, if I wasn't seeing Kaz, I would just done the bare minimum amount of maintenance just to feel comfortable, but really honestly, I'm loving where I'm at right now. I love how they look. Even today on wash day, which is so fuzzy, I don't even care. I love it. This side always has the bigger ones, but these ones are the loopy ones, and I don't really have the same kind of loops going on the other side. But again, this is my favorite because it's such a freak. Look at that. Love it. It's kind of crazy how much this one is looping up just in a couple months. I'll show you my sections. I mean, everything is still separate. I'm keeping everything clean. There's like an actual section back in the back of just loose hair. That dread in the back, that is like 2 inches of dreaded hair. It's growing a little bit. It's like pulling some hair into it, so it's kind of fun. So that's it. 7 months, loose hair. Starting to get some really hard ones that I really just can't squeeze very well. My shampoo's still doing great. I love Malibu Sea Hard Water Wellness, and that is all I have to say. I've been working out a little bit more often because I am currently trying to lose some baby weight. I can show you what I do to just keep my hair out of the way. I like to take these fabric, like headbands, because they're just a lot softer. There's a lot more give. They're way more comfortable, like more surface area. They're more comfortable when I'm working out and like jumping. My bun won't be like janking around, ripping on my head. I normally just put it all up, loop it back over. That is what I like to do while I exercise. I only exercise about 2-3 times a week, but if I really need to wash my scalp in between shampooings, I take the shower head and I just direct it at the base of my skull while it's in the bun, and just let the water kind of like run along my scalp and keep the majority of my dreads out of it so they don't get wet. There's no need to wash my hair that often. Oh, and I did make a new scalp spray. If you haven't already seen my Dread scalp care video, I've actually changed some things about that. It's not quite accurate anymore. I'm learning as I go, you know? It's a journey, right? But I did make a really good new spray that I love. Honestly, I feel like it's just like a nice fresher upper for when I'm going somewhere and I want to smell really good. I want to make sure my hair smells good, my scalp feels fresh and fresh. So I add distilled water, tea tree oil, rosehip oil, a little bit of peppermint, vanilla, a little lime, and lavender, and that's it. What I do, maybe every day, every other day, when I'm going somewhere, just shake it up. Okay, maybe that's a lot, but just smooth my hair a little bit. You know, it's really good if like you just woke up and your hair's looking a little wonky. You can just reset it with the distilled water. Sometimes I do that to my ends if they get like little kinks in them. It just smells really good, and I wish I could let you smell it. But you know what, while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you what my go-to hairstyle is these days. I'm trying not to put it up in a bun too much. So what I have been doing, this kind of hurts a little bit because of all of these hairs. Whoa! So I just washed my hair today. That is a big loop. That is a development as of today. Oh, and look at this. That's all regrowth. What I do is I just like tuck all that stuff in. Lift these up a little bit. Yikes, guys. I mean, now you saw it. That's what I do every day to keep my hair out of my face. So after seeing the big loop there, since it's on the front of my head, I'm gonna pull it in because I don't know if I can wait even a couple weeks. When I pull it back, it's just gonna stand up all the time, and that bugs me. I'm being sensitive about it. I'm gonna get my really tiny hook. Isn't this what people do with their hands when they show you things? It's not working. Clip it just in case. I don't want to get any surrounding loose hairs caught into what I'm doing. And again, I am not a loctician, so just maybe think twice before you do things the way I do it, but this is what I'm doing to survive. I'm just gonna jump in there. Trying to be gentle. I really don't want to break any hairs. I'm just kind of like pulling hairs softly, tightening them up inside, coming out a little bit, pulling back in to about the center. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's looking a million times better. And that was like 2 seconds. There's like one hair in there pulling. Just pulling that back out because that hurts. Meowie. What have I done? Okay. I'm just squeezing a little bit while I pull. I'll pull everything a little tight. Wow, this is weird. This is the first maintenance I've done in a long time. Okay, so I am not going to the root because I don't like tight roots. In the meantime, I'm just trying to fix that freaky loop, and I think that I mostly did it. Alright, you know what? That little tiny bit, I don't care. That's chump change. Whoa. It's a lot tighter now. I'm gonna have to do some of this. Oh, it's glitter. Right, that's good enough. Well, there you have it. Fixed the freaky lump. Now there's just a big giant lump right behind it. Anyway, that is my hair at 7 months. Hope y'all are having a great day, great weekend, whatever, night, whenever you see this.